If your email is stuck in queued status and not sending in Gmail, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a really common issue, and it usually comes down to your internet connection, a temporary Gmail glitch, or an attachment that's too large to send. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get that email moving again without guessing. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. Gmail needs a stable connection to send emails properly, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or disconnected, the message can sit in queued status forever. Try opening another website to see if it loads normally. If it doesn't, reconnect to your internet, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network, or restart your router if needed. Once your connection is stable, go back to Gmail and see if the email starts sending automatically. Next, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Gmail address. Sometimes the email appears stuck simply because the page didn't fully load or the browser cached an older version of your inbox. After the page opens, give it a moment to sync. Now refresh the Gmail page. This is one of the simplest fixes, but it works surprisingly often. A refresh can clear out a temporary sync issue and force Gmail to try sending the message again. If the email is still queued after a normal refresh, try a hard refresh if your browser supports it. Once Gmail reloads, check whether the message has moved out of the queue. After that, open your drafts or Outbox. If the email was not sent, it may still be sitting there waiting to go out. In Gmail, queued messages often remain in drafts or a similar sending area until the connection is restored or the issue is resolved. Open the draft, review the message, and then try sending it again manually. If there's a red error, pay close attention to it because it may point to the real problem. If the email still won't send, check the attachment size. Large files are one of the most common reasons Gmail messages get stuck in queued status. If you attached a video, high-resolution image, or a large document, Gmail may struggle to send it. Try reducing the file size, compressing the attachment, or removing it and sending the email without the file first. If the message sends after that, you found the cause. You can also try closing Gmail and reopening it in a new tab or another browser if needed. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary browser problem, and switching browsers can help confirm that. But in most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue quickly. Checking your connection, refreshing Gmail, reopening the draft, and reducing the attachment size. So to recap, if your queued email is not sending in Gmail, start with your internet connection. Open Gmail at mail.google.com, refresh the page, check drafts or Outbox, try sending again, and reduce the attachment size if the file is too large. Those simple fixes solve most sending problems without needing any advanced steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.